Okay. Hi everyone, I'm Barry. So today our group are going to present for MCP1. For recommendation one, Boeing's main objective is to ensure that all pilots are fully prepared before operating the aircraft. To achieve this, Boeing will redesign the simulator training and clearly include updated system information in all training materials. Okay, so first, Boeing will redesign the simulator training to include the most recent system updates, especially changes to flight control features such as MCAS. At present, pilots may not receive complete and practical knowledge of these updates before flying, which can delay decision-making in emergencies. The redesigned training will ensure that all pilots understand and can operate the updated system effectively. And Boeing will also develop detailed training manuals that integrate step-by-step MCAS-related procedures. These manuals will serve as clear reference materials during training, allowing pilots to practice these procedures repeatedly in simulation. For example, in the event of an MCAS malfunction, pilots will already know the precise actions to take because they will have rehearsed them extensively. So the training design process will be assigned to Boeing safety training team and IT simulation engineers. The safety training team will ensure the content meets pilots' needs and regulatory requirements, while the IT simulation engineers will make certain the simulators accurately replicate real aircraft behavior. And the updated training will be implemented as immersive of the jobs simulation for Boeing's training centers. These sections will scheduled regularly and completed by pilots before they operate the updated aircraft. Training in a low-risk, realistic environment will help pilots develop fast and confident responses to unexpected situations.
Hello everyone, I'm Yang. The fifth point is how continued. Check KPIs on pilot performance and identify knowledge gaps. Boeing will check key performance indicators or KPIs to see how well pilot performance in simulator training. We will measure things like how fast they react, how correctly they follow safety steps, and where their knowledge might be missing. If we find any weak areas, we will give them extra training right away to fix those gaps. The next point is expected outcome. Higher pilot readiness and fewer safety incidents. This plan will make pilots more ready for real flights and lower the chance of safety problems. Pilots will not only know how the updated systems work, but also feel confident using them in real situations. This will make Boeing's safety stronger, reduce the risk of mistakes, and keep passengers and crew safer. Closing. By improving simulator training, writing clear manuals, bringing in expert teams, giving realistic practice, and tracking pilot results. Boeing can make sure every pilot is ready before they fly. This will help keep operations safe across the company. That's the end of recommendation 1. Next, my teammate Karen will start recommendation 2.
Recommendation 2 is the implementation of an independent automatic safety check system that limits managerial discretion by automatically flagging critical issues requiring external review and approval before proceeding. So, the key recommendation we are putting forth is the strengthening of the safety management in the implementation of an automatic safety check system. The system would work by embedding automated monitoring tools into all critical stages of Boeing's operations, from the designing and engineering to the production and testing. These tools would then continuously track performance and look for anomalies. Such abnormal sensor readings and non-compliance will not be able to be skipped. Once the system detects that a predefined safety threshold has been breached, it will automatically flag the issue. At that point, the alert will bypass day-to-day operational managers and go straight to dedicated safety oversight units, the unit that has to be created. This is important because it ensures that decision-making process is independent, objective, and free from internal pressures, such as meeting product deadlines or cutting costs. For issues identified as high risks, the process would require external review and could involve certified third-party specialists or regulators to verify it. And every flagged incident, along with the investigations and resolution, would be documented in a digital audit trail to create a transparent record that not only helps with regulatory compliance, but also allows Boeing to analyze its past errors and not repeat the same issues. The system would not just be a one-off implementation, it will be put forth for a routine and updated regularly to improve accuracy and adapt to the new technologies of the aircrafts. And staff will be trained on how to interpret these alerts and work with the oversight team to resolve issues quicker as they become more as they understand the errors better. So overall, by combining automation and independence and transparency, this safety check system addresses the root cause of Boeing's past safety lapses and over-reliance on internal managerial discretion, and it ensures critical issues are caught early, reviewed without bias, and resolved before they can escalate, ultimately strengthening both safety performance and public trust in Boeing.